A political battle is being fought in Delhi ahead of voting on February 5th. In fact, the Delhi Dangal seems to have taken a poisonous discourse. AAP and Arvind Kejriwal have accused neighbouring BJP-ruled Haryana of releasing contaminated water into Delhi. In fact, Mr. Kejriwal went on to accuse the BJP of attempting to commit genocide of the people of Delhi that the Aam Aadmi Party government has blocked. Now, both the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party have knocked on the doors of the Election Commission. They are demanding the EC's intervention. The Delhi government has claimed that Haryana poisoned the water coming into Delhi, while the Haryana government says there is simply no basis for such a bizarre allegation. The Delhi Jal Board too has confirmed that Aam Aadmi Party's claims are factually incorrect. Sharpening its attack, the AAP alleged that this could have caused mass genocide in Delhi. In defense, the Haryana government has said that AAP is misleading the people of Delhi. The Delhi Jal Board has also claimed there is no factual basis for the allegations that have been made. Arvind Kejriwal raised the alarm over the water quality in Yamuna, claiming that contamination is so severe that existing treatment plants are unable to purify the water. In response, the Haryana government has said that they would never harm such an important resource. The Delhi government further accused the BJP of putting the lives of Delhi residents at risk by allegedly allowing this contamination, in retaliation to which the Haryana government has demanded an apology and said that if not, they will take legal action and file a defamation suit.
दिल्ली के लोगों को पीने का पानी हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा की सरकार ने दिल्ली में यमुना से आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है।
हजारों करोड़ का भ्रष्टाचार कर दिल्ली की जनता को धोखा दिया, मगर इसके किसी भी बयान में जनता को भरोसा नहीं।
केजरीवाल जी जो भी मन में आता है कह देते हैं। पहले आए थे, छोटी सी गाड़ी थी, कहा था नए तरीके की राजनीति करूंगा। इलेक्ट्रिक पोल पर चढ़ गए थे, याद होगा आपको, याद है कि दिल्ली को बदल देंगे। और जब गरीबों को जरूरत पड़ी तो कहीं नहीं दिखे वो। जब दिल्ली में हिंसा हुई कहीं नहीं दिखे वो। और कहा था कि साफ राजनीति लाऊंगा। और सबसे बड़ा लिकर का स्कैम दिल्ली में हुआ है। केजरीवाल जी महल में रहते हैं, शीश महल में रहते हैं, तो ये सच्चाई है।
All right, let's open this up to our political guests. Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP, is here in our studios. Mahima Singh, spokesperson of the Congress, and Akshay Marathe, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Akshay Marathe, let me start with you. It's a very, very serious and very bizarre allegation, some would say, of no less than Mr. Kejriwal, your party's convener, former chief minister, to make, saying that the Haryana government is indulging in water terrorism. They are undertaking mass genocide in Delhi by polluting the water, by increasing ammonia. What basis is he saying this on?
Zaka, I think it's important to understand that a large majority of Delhi's water, drinking water, comes from the Yamuna, and it is collected at the point at which the Yamuna enters Delhi from Haryana, and it is treated in a water treatment plant and then supplied all across Delhi. Now, Delhi's existing water treatment plants can only process water that has ammonia up to around 1.5 to 2 ppm inside the water. Right now, Haryana is releasing water into Delhi that has 6 to 7 ppm of ammonia. This is something that is untenable for Delhi's water treatment plants to be able to process and supply clean drinking water to the people
of Delhi. But Akshay, the Aam Aadmi Party said the same thing in October of 2024, blaming Haryana for ammonia mixing in Yamuna. They said the same thing in November 2024, saying the BJP is polluting the Yamuna. It's a deliberate conspiracy. I mean, you can't keep saying this every 6 months.
If Haryana can keep mixing ammonia in its water every 6 months, then why can't we say it? Are we supposed to just drink that ammonia water? ammonia is one of the biggest causes of carcinogens in our water today.
So what
How do you
happened? What
expect
happened to the
Arvind
ammonia that
Kejriwal-
got released in May 24, in October 24, in November 24?
No, it is because Arvind Kejriwal raises an alarm when Haryana government does this kind of mischief to deny the people of Delhi water. That is why Haryana has to step in and prevent it from happening.
Okay,
And it's not rocket science.
Charu
It's as
Pragya to
simple-
respond
it's as
that
simple as preventing.
your
it's as simple as
government is hell
preventing-
bent on committing mass genocide in Delhi. Water terrorism is the word that was used by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Now listen to this language, Zaka, and I want all our viewers to listen to it too. बीजेपी सरकार जहर मिला रही है, आप सबको मारना चाहती है, किसी का भला नहीं चाहती है. This kind of language can only come from a person who is hell bent on fear mongering. None of these statements are backed by any kind of fact at all, as stated by the CEO of Delhi Jal Board herself. She said very categorically, clearly, that the claims made by Arvind Kejriwal are factually incorrect. It is fear mongering and it is going to promote anarchy in the days to come. Is that what you expect from a serious, responsible leader in our country? Forget what political party he comes from. Now, my problem with Aam Aadmi Party has become is that every single day they look for one distracting statement after another so they can deviate the attention of the people and the media from the real issues of Delhi. From the fact that Delhi does not have water to drink, air to breathe, decent places to stay in. We are sinking when it rains. We are struggling to breathe when it is winters. And whose fault is it? You talk about education, you've made zero new schools. You talk about healthcare, but the situation of healthcare is so bad in Delhi that again you've done nothing except scam after scam in the name of Mohalla clinics, whether it was the lab testing thing, whether it was X-ray. So the situation today is, and I would urge every single participant of this entire fiasco that Aam Aadmi Party has become, that please refrain from doing fear mongering, because
So, Akshay,
Can I
respond before I go to Mahima Singh. So,
I
Akshay,
want to-
and I will explain about the ammonia levels too, Zaka. You'll have to give me another minute to explain about ammonia in
by
Yamuna.
that same token, when you're saying Haryana is polluting Delhi's water, one can accuse Punjab of polluting Delhi's air. Everybody knows the stubble burning is happening in Punjab. In fact, you promised you'll stop stubble burning in Punjab when you come to power. What have you done? So Punjab is poisoning Delhi's air.
I think, Zaka, it's important to understand that what the BJP spokesperson was saying, that the DJB CEO apparently has said that Arvind Kejriwal's statement is false. I'm reading from the same DJB CEO's letter. She says in her letter, DJB water treatment plants are designed to treat the ammonia up to 1 ppm. I said 1.5 to 2. She's saying only 1 ppm. And in her own letter, she's admitting presently the ammonia
So
is
anyone
around
who doesn't agree with
6.5
you is
ppm.
BJP basically.
Charu,
Is that it,
Charu,
Akshay?
Please don't interrupt me. Either you have factual evidence to dispute
No, I
what
have
I'm
factual
saying, or
evidence
you-
and I will
or you-
come
or
to
you
it.
keep
Zaka is
quiet
going
and
to
listen
allow me
what I'm
another
saying.
minute to
well, let him
explain
finish
this.
one
Presently,
second.
presently the ammonia is around 6.5 ppm in river Yamuna at Wazirabad pond. Despite dilution with CLC and DSB water, DJB water treatment plants could not be operated on full capacity. This is the DJB CEO's letter who you are quoting, as if it is claiming that Arvind Kejriwal
Okay,
is
Charu,
stating
respond.
falsehood.
Now I am
Can
going
you
to...
can you now clarify? Can you drink
Okay,
water?
Yes,
let
yes,
her-
I'm
let her
clarifying.
clarify.
Ammonia?
Now let
Will
me
you drink
begin
that
by
water?
Akshay. Now let me first tell you, and I would explain in the same way to a kindergartner, anyone who doesn't agree with Aam Aadmi Party's lies is not BJP. People are allowed to state their truth, and if they don't agree with you, it doesn't mean you label them. As explained, 220 kilometers is the distance water travels from the Hathni Kund barrage to Wazirabad barrage. And
22
during
kilometers.
that distance,
It's
that is the
22
point
kilometers.
from which now, Akshay, please allow me to explain
It's
this.
22.
I think you
You are
missed
saying-
this.
you are-
1 minute. Akshay, hang on. Understand this. So, in this entire distance, when water enters Delhi, the contamination is near zero. Near zero. But what happens once this water is in Delhi? Because of the way you've been running things, because of the way you have literally siphoned off 8,000 crores given to your government by the central government to clean the Yamuna, situation is so bad that there is no clean water. In fact, the water which goes back into Haryana,
Okay, no,
into
one
Faridabad,
second.
into
I also
Mewat
want to go
and
to Mahima
Palwar
Singh.
is terribly contaminated.
I also want to go to
Quickly,
Mahima
quickly
Singh.
respond,
Mahima
Zaka,
Singh,
it's important.
no, 1 second. The moot point is that I think this was a couple of days back when Yogi Adityanath was campaigning here. He said, look at what's happening at the Sangam in Prayagraj.
Yeah.
13 crore people up to today have taken a dip at the Sangam. he challenged Arvind Kejriwal to take a dip in the Yamuna. Is the Aam Aadmi Party saying all of this ammonia stuff, which they said in May 24, which they said in October 24, and repeated in November 24, again now, just before the elections, because that is the moot point. Can anyone today take a dip in the Yamuna? I mean, Chhath Puja, we saw a couple of months back, people taking a dip in the Yamuna in that frothing water. That's the moot issue. The issue is whether it's the state government or the central government, the funds to clean up the Yamuna, I don't know where it's gone. The Yamuna is probably the dirtiest river in all of India. One second, let Mahima Singh respond.
I can answer your
question. One second, sir, I have one more
because
spokesperson. You're not the only spokesperson on the show. Please, thank you.
But the questions are being
Sir,
raised
one
to
second,
me.
sir, one second,
Let me
sir.
answer.
Let me decide, no, how
You are
I do
raising
my
questions.
show. Akshay, thank you. Mahima Singh.
Jai Hind. Zaka, in fact, both the parties appear to be resorting to the skullduggery of the worst kind. And I think it's the worst farce that can be played upon the voters of Delhi. Both the parties are helmed by A-grade liars as their leaders. It's not a hidden fact. And I think at this point in time, this point in this election, both the parties have completely foregone all abstention from immorality for the sake of power, for staking the future of Delhiites. Indeed, you know, when you are talking about Ganges, let me tell you, I think data is out on that as well, and we have been asking questions on that. That the Ganges cleaning has also become it's been a scam, and we've been asking questions on that. Both the parties, Aam Aadmi Party is guilty of leveraging Yamuna for their political gains, while the BJP is guilty of betraying the holy Ganges.
No,
Both the
ma'am,
parties
let me
have
ask you a straight
long
question.
stretch- Allow me to
Do you
finish.
believe
Allow
in
me to
what your
finish.
alliance
Allow me to-
partner is saying, that BJP government in Haryana is poisoning the water of Yamuna? Or is that a diversionary tactic? Is that a bizarre
Allow me
allegation?
to finish.
What is the
Zaka,
Congress
please allow
party's
me to-
position, ma'am? I'm asking you that straight.
The Aam Aadmi Party is not our ally in Delhi for this election, and I think that's evidently clear by now. Let's not project it otherwise. And I think when it comes to the issue of Yamuna or the Ganga, we have been calling a spade, and not only now, for all these years. We remember the dead bodies floating across holy Ganges during the times of COVID when Delhi was gasping for air. So you see, both these parties are guilty, and in fact, it is the farce of the worst kind. It is frivolous when the BJP spokesperson talks about language, talks about fear-mongering. No doubt that the Aam Aadmi Party former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal used vocabulary of a kindergarten child when he said "Paap chadhega tumko." But on the other side, there is this BJP spokesperson that's talking about fear-mongering when their leaders have been talking about goli maro salon ko,
Okay.
and
This is not so much about the language that
digressing.
leaders are using.
Yeah.
But Charu Pragya, the question that can be asked is, if the Sangam can be cleaned up, why can't you clean up the Yamuna? Why are you saying that, oh, we gave money to
It has not
Kejriwal?
been
Okay,
cleaned
fine,
up.
he's not able to clean it up. You clean it up.
Absolutely. And Zaka, that's exactly why we are saying now, and we say it with a lot of confidence, that on the 5th of Feb, when the people of Delhi vote, they're going to vote for Bharatiya Janata Party, because we walked the talk. Now tell me, the amounts of money that have gone missing from the state of Delhi are massive. 8,000 crore was a very big number. That kind of money would have made a real difference. In fact, every single promise that Kejriwal has made, whether it is getting rid of open wires overhead in the city of Delhi, to making sure the city does not clog up when it rains, to ensuring you are able to go and take a dip in the Yamuna during the festival of Chhath, every single thing has fallen
but
flat and
what
failed.
about Namami Gange? We were promised that you can take a boat ride all the way from Delhi to Banaras. Can you do that?
Yes, and steadily that is happening, Zaka. As you can see, when 45 crore people are visiting Prayagraj today, nobody is coming back and complaining of any kind of mismanagement, and that can be
Okay.
done with the correct intention.
Akshay-
The problem in Delhi is
I
there
think-
is no
let me
intention.
respond.
The
Let me
problem in
respond.
Delhi is...
Akshay-
I've heard enough.
Akshay,
No, you haven't actually, Akshay, because I have barely started.
You have been spewing lies and hatred against Aam
Allow
Aadmi
me
Party.
an
Now let me
intervention,
respond.
Kaka.
Yeah,
You
one
have
second. Let
got
Akshay.
1,000 crores. Let's
No,
talk.
and-
about
No,
that.
Akshay,
I just want
Akshay,
to-
the point is, air pollution is somebody else's problem. Water cleaning up the Yamuna is somebody else's problem.
Zaka, just give me
If
10
Delhi
more
does not have
seconds to
enough
add.
electric buses, that is somebody else's problem. Is there anything that the Aam Aadmi Party is going to take responsibility for?
Zaka, you probably don't know the facts. Delhi
they have
has the
taken the
highest number of
responsibility
One
of
second,
electric
let
making
him
that
answer.
Sheesh
buses
Mahal,
in the
no?
whole
Let him
country.
answer. Let him answer.
Delhi has the highest number of electric buses in the whole country. Delhi has done the most to reduce air pollution, to reduce water pollution, to improve our condition of education, of healthcare, of all kinds of.
Did you say Delhi
civic
has done the
issues that
most
have
to
do with
reduce air
Delhi? No,
pollution?
no. I'll tell you, we removed all thermal power plants from Delhi. We stopped all kinds of construction that was happening during the October-November months. We added solar power to a large
Akshay,
number of government buildings.
you know what the
We reduced
AQI
the
has
use
been through November, December, and even much of January. I mean,
Zaka, I request you when you ask me a question, you give me 1 or 2 minutes of
no,
uninterrupted time.
I'm happy to do that, but let's please not. Akshay, please, let's not belittle the intelligence of our viewers, but at least the ones who are in Delhi. AQI in Delhi has gone to the dogs for the last many years now. So let's not please say that air pollution has, Aam Aadmi Party has solved air pollution problem in Delhi, because you've not.
Zaka, first of all, you sit in a Noida studio in Uttar Pradesh. What is your AQI? Do you know what your AQI is?
Boss,
It is worse
I
than
live
Delhi.
in the national capital region. I
It is
breathe
worse.
this air.
Noida,
I breathe this air.
In Uttar Pradesh, your AQI is worse
I
than Delhi. So why don't you ask questions of Yogi Adityanath?
I have a child who's
Why
grown
don't
up
you
in
ask
this
questions
air.
of Yogi
I have
Adityanath?
every right to ask this question.
You have every right to ask a question to BJP because BJP.
No,
rules your state.
I
Your
stay
state-
in the national capital
your state
region
is
for the
UP
last
where
10
your
years.
channel is
Between
based
AAP
out
and
of. You
BJP,
ask
I've been hearing the
questions,
same thing,
Yogi Adityanath.
Akshay.
Then you come to us to ask us questions. Now let me finish. First of all, let's understand the reality of Yamuna pollution. There are 4 main sources of pollution. Number 1 is a Najafgarh drain that brings all the sewage from Haryana into Yamuna. Number 2 is the
Everything
drain
is
from
everyone's
Uttar Pradesh
problem,
and
but
drain
Akshay is an Aam
Listen,
Aadmi Party's, and I'll tell you
sorry,
why.
if
No,
I don't
one
get
second,
uninterrupted
Akshay,
No,
we-
one second,
I
let him
cannot
finish, Charul. I'll come to you.
participate in this debate.
So,
I'm sorry,
Najafgarh drain is the reason why in Mayur Vihar people are taking a dip in a frothing Yamuna.
Zaka, if you don't give me
No, I'm asking you. No, I'm asking you.
No,
I'm
you
a-
can keep asking questions. Why don't you take over
No,
the
no,
debate? Keep asking
no, I'm
questions.
asking. My job is to
When
ask
I try
questions.
to answer,
Please
when
answer.
I try to answer one question,
Please
you
answer.
start with the second question.
No, please
What's the
answer.
point?
Why is the Yamuna not clean? You've been in power for 10 years. Why is the Yamuna not clean?
I'm going to start my stopwatch. For 2 minutes, you will not ask me a counter question.
No,
because
no,
otherwise-
that's not, no. You don't need to tell me how to do my job.
Okay.
Answer the question.
Okay, you
Answer
I'm
the
going to
question.
shut up. You
No,
asked me-
I asked you, why is the Yamuna not clean? You've been in power for 10 years. Please tell me.
Okay, when are you going to ask the second question?
No, I'm not.
How many seconds?
No,
How many
I'm
seconds
not.
are you going to
Do you have an answer?
Are you going to
Do
give
you
me
have an
30
answer, or
seconds
are you
to
going to evade?
speak? Are you going to give me
People of
uninterrupted
Delhi
time
are
or not?
watching you, Akshay Marathe. Are you going to evade an answer?
If you let me speak for
I'm waiting.
uninterrupted 2 minutes.
One,
Okay, thank you.
2,
Thank you.
3,
Number
4,
1, the
5,
Najafgarh drain
6.
pollutes the Yamuna, and the NGT had to fine the Haryana government, and they were forced to construct a different pipeline
Okay.
to stop the sewage from Haryana
What is the next
to
point?
go into Yamuna.
Next
Number
point.
2, the Uttar Pradesh sends its entire sewage into the Yamuna where it enters Delhi.
Okay.
Now these are things
Number
that
3.
have happened before Aam Aadmi Party.
No, number 3. Is there any other reason?
Can you shut up for 1 minute?
What language are you using, man?
No, why
You're
don't
on national
why don't
television.
you just keep quiet and let
You
me
are a
speak?
spokesperson of a national party. What language
If
are you using?
Okay, I think this is
Akshay,
pointless, Zaka.
please.
If you are going to keep interrupting
You have
me,
no business
there is
using
no
foul
point in calling-
language on national television.
There is no point.
It doesn't affect me. It doesn't affect
There is
me.
no point.
It's the water
There
of
is
a
no
duck's
point.
back.
There is no point
please,
in inviting Aam Aadmi Party
if-
if you are not going to let me speak.
Go
Why
on.
don't
I asked.
invite
You said
BJP
2
and
reasons.
it?
Do you have any more reasons?
I am coming to it. If you don't interrupt me,
You've
I'm
taken
coming
5
to
minutes
it.
coming to it. Quickly tell me, do you have any more reasons? These are the 2 reasons why
It's ridiculous.
Yamuna is polluted,
you
right?
You should introspect on how you conduct your debates.
Really?
Okay, number 3.
I've done this for 20
Yes.
years. Okay, go on. Third.
And you've done it very poorly. I should
I'm
tell
sorry.
you.
I don't need
Number
a
3.
certificate from you, but go on.
I don't need a certificate from you either.
I'm
Okay.
I'm
Number 3.
asking questions on behalf of the people of Delhi. Do you have an answer?
No,
Number
you're
3.
asking questions on behalf of BJP.
I'm asking
Okay?
questions on behalf of the people
Now-
of
now
Delhi.
let me-
Please tell
now
me.
let
Don't
me-
make these personal side shots and pot shots. I don't care
You
about
should-
it. Do you have a
I
reason
also
number
don't
3?
care about
Because
what
otherwise
you
I'm
think
going
of
to the
Aam
next
Aadmi Party.
next spokesperson.
Now, number three. The third biggest source of the pollution in Yamuna is the sewage that is generated in the 1700 unauthorized colonies in Delhi, for which Aam Aadmi Party government was the first government to lay
Okay.
6,500 kilometers of sewage pipelines.
Okay.
That
Any
is
other
the most
reason?
important
Number
step
4?
we have taken to reduce the pollution
Is
in
there
Yamuna.
any other reason? Number 4, number 5, any other reason?
Okay. Now, can I finish the third reason?
No, you just said unauthorized colonies. Okay, third reason. Any other fourth or fifth reason do you have?
Can I now finish?
No, you don't have any other reason, na? These are the 3 reasons. Najafgarh Nala, UP ka Nala, and unauthorized colonies. So, band kar do na. 30% of water from for Delhi is coming from Uttar Pradesh. 60% of water for Delhi is coming from Haryana. End it. Khatam kar do. Why? Charu Pragya.
So,
Band kar do na.
the crux of the entire argument of Aam Aadmi Party is
UP is responsible, Haryana is responsible.
It's everybody's fault but their own, right? They say when they want to do good work, it is stopped. But nobody stopped you from building the Sheesh Mahal, which means you can do work when you want to. You, in fact, went out of your way to pass the Delhi liquor policy, taking post-facto cabinet approval also. So, obviously, when you want to do something, you are able to pull it off. In the name of Mohalla Clinic, 65,000 plus fake tests were conducted, ghost tests were conducted. So you were able to pull that off as well. You are able to pay more than 25 crore from our money, the exchequer's money, to fight off the scam cases which are on your leaders for the Delhi liquor scam. The money you are not paying from your personal pockets. That's the money of Delhi people that you are using. So when you want to do something, you are able to manage it. But when we question you about the welfare of the people of Delhi, it's everybody's fault but your own. So we are saying this very clearly. आपसे वैसे भी manage नहीं हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. Bow out and
I am leaving this to the viewers to decide. I don't care about anyone saying anything, attacks, personal attacks, side shots, pot shots. You can do whatever the hell you want. I don't care about this. I've done this for far too long to be expecting certificates from any political party. I leave it to the viewers to decide who is responsible for Delhi's problems: air pollution, water pollution, traffic problems, infrastructure problems. Whatever your problems are, you can decide on the 5th of February who is responsible for it. Thank you very much to all our spokespersons for joining us.